Hey LaValia, this is Miles with Tameron Hyundai. I want to be the first to thank you for your internet inquiry on the 2009 Honda Accord EX. As you can see beside me, we do have this beautiful machine here in stock, but it's not going to be here for long with an awesome internet special. So let's get right into it. Alright, as you can see here on the inside, we've got volume controls on the steering wheel as well as the phone controls, power doors, power locks, as well as auxiliary ports and a sunroof on the top of the vehicle. This car is in great condition and I can't wait to take you on a test drive. You can reach me at 205-948-5294. And again, my name is Miles and you're going to love the way you're treated with Tameron Hyundai.